Did you know that 70% of Canadians do not contribute annually to a TFSA, and most Canadians have unused TFSA room? If that's you, you're not alone. Thinking of saving is difficult for most Canadians due to lack of available cash flow. So we did some creative thinking and developed a new groundbreaking investment tool for your TFSA, which gives you 100% of the stock market return over 10 years. First thing, we protect your principal. This means, regardless of what happens in the market, after 10 years, your principal is protected by a Canadian Schedule I bank. Risk gone. Next, we use 2-to-1 leverage. That means you only provide 50% of the money today and the remaining 50% at the end of the term in 10 years, all while earning a return on double what you first invest. Using average historical rates of the TSX 60, this leverage would have enabled you to earn an annual return of 8.2% instead of 6.7% on your upfront investment. A 22% increase. It's time to stop worrying about your future and start investing in it. Contact your financial advisor today to discuss how the Wisdom investment products can help you get your savings on track without tax.